In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove your background without a green screen in OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about background removal in OBS Studio and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of removing your webcam's background in OBS Studio without the need for a green screen. Whether you're aiming for a professional look or want to use custom backgrounds like Zoom or Google Meet, I'll show you how to achieve this easily and for free. Plus, you can continue using your existing scenes, so let's get started. To begin, we'll need to download a plugin for OBS. Check the description for the direct link to the plugin on the official OBS Studio website, obsproject.com. Download the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows or Mac, and save it to your computer. Once downloaded, open the zip file and you'll find two folders inside. Right-click on both folders, copy them, and then navigate to your OBS Studio installation folder on your computer. This is typically located in the C drive under Program Files. Paste the copied folders into the OBS Studio directory. Now that we've integrated the plugin files, let's open OBS Studio. If it's already open, close and reopen it. To add the background removal filter to your webcam, right-click on your webcam source. Go to Filters. Click the plus symbol and select Background Removal. You can rename it if you wish, then press OK, and OBS Studio will swiftly start removing your background. In the filter settings, we have options to improve background removal accuracy. Experiment with different segmentation models to find the one that works best for you. I recommend Robust Video Matting for optimal results. Fine-tune the threshold, contour filter, smooth silhouette, and feather blending silhouette according to your preferences. Once adjusted, select Close, and your webcam will now showcase a background-free view. To add a background image, go to Sources, click the plus symbol, and choose Image. Name it and select your desired background image. Ensure the image source is below your webcam in the list of sources. Your webcam will now display the chosen image as the background. For a video background, follow the same steps but add a media source instead of an image source. Choose your video file, enable looping, and press OK. Adjust the order of sources so that the video is just below your webcam. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials and tech insights, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy your background-free webcam experience in OBS Studio.